Hi there, and today we're going to learn how to set up local delivery on your Wix store. So for example, you have a Wix website that has a business that sells products to your customers, and of course you would need to have some sort of delivery system for your customers to receive the item. And in order to do that, we will go to Settings, scroll down and click Shipping, Delivery, and Fulfillment. And then you have different delivery profiles right here, or you can create a new one. For me, I have 3 delivery profiles, but I'm just using the first one right here. So I can just click on Edit. And as you can see, I already have different regions for my delivery. So I have the Canada, the domestic delivery for the Philippines, and then the international, which is the rest of the world. So in order to add another region, so for example, for your own local region, you can just follow these steps right here. So just click on the Create Region button, and then just name it local or /domestic, and then you will add the specific destination right here. So for example, you want to add the United States, so that is your local delivery, and then just click on Next. And then you can set up if you want to have a shipping fee, a local delivery, or a pickup. Since we are focusing on local delivery, we will just click on local delivery and click on Continue. And then from here, we will add a rate. So you can choose if you want to have a free delivery, or you can have a flat rate, or rate by the weight of your product, rate by price, or rate by quantity. So it depends on your specific preference. So for example, I want to have free delivery, and then the address will be right here in New York, USA, or you can drag this specific location right here. So here is New York, and then we can just exit this. And then if you want to change the region, you just need to change the address right here. So for example, Massachusetts, USA. So it just pins the whole state right here. And then you can just change the radius right here if you want to change the delivery range of your delivery location. And then once you have done that, you can just set the delivery time by an estimated delivery time or a delivery time slot. So I will just select the estimated delivery times, for example 2 days, and then I am done. We can just add this into our local delivery, but we need first to have a name at the checkout. And then just click on Add, and then there we have our local delivery for Massachusetts, and it is free delivery. But if you want to add some more regions, so flat rate, name at checkout. So let's name this New York delivery, and then for example, the shipping fee rate will be like 100 pesos. You can change this into dollars or your current currency in your country by just going to the settings. So mine is set in Philippine peso. And then you can also choose if you want to offer free shipping for a customer that purchases a certain amount. So for example, 2,000 pesos. Once the customer reaches that amount, they will have free shipping. And you can also charge this rate for each item separately. So it depends on your preference. And then, since we have chosen a radius option, you can also choose zip or postal codes, or you can just draw on the map your specific region that will be covered in your delivery. But I'll just choose radius again. And then I will just choose New York, and then let's choose a delivery time slot from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. every Monday to Friday, and then just click on add. But first, you can also choose if you want to have same-day delivery, next-day delivery, or minimum 2-day delivery. Or you can just change this as well. And then click on add. And then right here, we have another local delivery area added into our website. So that is how we set up the local delivery in Wix stores, and I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.